welcome to www.smartkitprojects.com. Now the name of this project is Smart Street Light Management System. Now as you can see, this is a very beautiful and innovative system that works according to the timing as you can see on the LCD. Now these street lights which are there, which we have used as LED in this program, they work according to the timing. Now suppose from the evening 18 to 24, the lights will remain switched on in a brighter mode. Now from 24 in the morning till 7 am, the lights, after 7 am, the lights will be switched off completely. And for an example, suppose there is a rainy season and there is a darkness after 7 pm, so this LDR system which you can see here will detect the darkness and automatically will switch on the street lights. Now first I will tell you what are the components we have used to make this project, and later on I will show you a live demonstration of how the project works. Now as you can see, these are IR sensors which we have used here. These are LEDs which will in this project will work as street lights. This is 8051 microcontroller. This is LCD to show you the timings. This is a reset switch. This is a power supply, and this, as you can see here, is a LDR device which detects the sunlight. Okay. So now I will show you a live demonstration of how the project works. For an example, now see this, it's 18 here in the LCD. As you can see, I fast forwarded the timings because we cannot wait. So after 16, the lights will be completely switched on, as you can see on the LCD, and at 24 it will get dimmer. The lights will get dim. It's 22 here, 23. As you can see, it's after 24. As you can see, the lights are dimmer. For an example, if a car passes from here, as you can see, it notes the vehicle entry, as you can see on the LCD, and when the car exits, it will note the exit point also. So after 7 am in the morning, the lights will be completely switched off. And after that I will show you in the rainy season or whenever there is a darkness how it works. So let's wait for 7 am. As you can see, it is 7 am, and as you can see, the lights, the LEDs are completely switched off. For an example, in the rainy season, if I cover this LDR completely, as you can see, the lights are glowing, the street lights, because there are some days in the rainy season which are darker, and there is a need of activating the street lights. And so this is how it will work in rainy season. If I remove, it get completely switched off, and there is a reset button here which you can on the street light in the case of emergency or something to test like that. So you can press the switch anytime and it will work according to the time flow. So thank you for watching the video, and warm welcome from smartkitprojects.com. If you like the video, please subscribe us. Thank you.